What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you're using this camera to take a selfie and you want to see yourself, I'm going to show you how to do it. So, a lot of people will think, hey, if you're going to take selfie shots, you'll use this front-facing camera. Now, I've done this a lot in the past, but one of the problems that I've had here is when I've had a product and I bring it up to the camera, this one doesn't seem to autofocus particularly. It seems to stay focused kind of very generally, almost like a disposable camera on things, a few feet away. So when I bring an object up within a foot or so of it to give you a close-in shot, it doesn't seem to focus on it. It still seems to be focused on me. So one of the things that I want to do is use this camera so that when I bring the object up here, it'll refocus on it. Now the problem with this camera is that I can't see how things are framed, and so if you want to be able to use this camera and see what it is seeing, like have a viewfinder on the front here, I'm going to show you my little hack, and the hack comes down to this. So this is my Apple Watch, and you may be familiar with Apple Watches that work with the camera on your phone. So I'm just going to open up the camera here. What up? And I've taken off my Apple Watch here, and I'm just going to take the camera like this, and I'm just going to strap it across the front here, just like that. And I'm going to move it over towards the lens as much as possible here, just because when I'm looking at that viewfinder, the closer it is to the camera lens, the more it looks like I'm looking into it. Now I'm just going to log into my Apple Watch, because it's going to unlock when you remove it, and I'm going to go to my camera right here, the camera icon. And what you'll be able to see there is, boom, I don't know, there we go, that now this is showing me what this camera is seeing. And so it's not very big, but it's a great way to be able to just know if I'm framing up things within the shot here, and that it's not cutting my head off or something like that. So it's just a quick little hack to add a viewfinder on this side so that you can use the better cameras on your iPhone. So if you want to pick up the Apple Watch to use it, I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.